Welcome to naturalhealingguides.com YouTube channel. In this short video, we are going to explore prevention tips for coronavirus, symptoms and risk factors. How to prevent coronavirus from spreading. There is no vaccine to prevent this virus, and the CDC advises that the best way to prevent infection is to avoid being exposed to this virus. Currently, 2019 nCoV has not been found to be spreading in the US, so there are no additional precautions recommended for the general public to take. Here are everyday actions to help prevent the spread of respiratory viruses in general, such as colds and the flu. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water are not available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Don't share food, beverages, or smoking devices with others. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Stay home when sick. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. Cover coughs or sneezes with a tissue and throw the tissue in the trash. If you are experiencing symptoms of respiratory illness, call your local emergency officials. What is coronavirus? 2019 nCoV is a newly identified coronavirus that is causing an outbreak of pneumonia illness. It was first identified in December 2019 in the city of Wuhan, Hubei Province, China. Since then, cases have been identified in multiple other countries including the US. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), human coronaviruses are common throughout the world and usually cause mild to moderate illness in people. This new virus is a public health concern because it is newly identified, so much is still unknown about it. Two other human coronaviruses, MERS-CoV and SARS-CoV, have caused severe illness in the past. On Thursday, January 30, the World Health Organization (WHO) declared coronavirus a global health emergency. The U.S. Department of State increased the travel advisory to level 4, or do not travel, and most major American-based airlines have suspended all flights to China. On Friday, January 31, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services declared a public health emergency for coronavirus and issued new travel guidance. The immediate health risk to the general U.S. public is considered low at this time, although additional travel-associated cases and transmissions among close contacts are expected. Reported illnesses for coronavirus have ranged from little to no symptoms to severe illness and death. People most seriously affected tend to be young children, adults over 65 and individuals with weakened immune systems. The Center for Disease Control (CDC) believes at this time that symptoms may appear 2 to 14 days after exposure. Coronavirus risk factor. The CDC considers this new virus a public health concern based on current information. However, the immediate health risk to the general U.S. public is considered low at this time. The CDC and the World Health Organization are closely monitoring the situation and providing ongoing guidance. Coronavirus symptoms and transmission. Symptoms may be flu-like, ranging from mild to serious. Coronavirus most popular symptoms include fever, cough and difficulty breathing. How coronavirus spreads. Person-to-person spread is very common with this highly infectious virus. It is unclear exactly how it is transmitted and how easily the virus spreads between people. Scientists are still working round the clock to determine how the virus spreads. The CDC recommends travelers avoid all non-essential travel to China. Chinese officials have closed transport within and out of Wuhan and other areas in Hubei Province, including buses, subways, trains and the airport. If you live in high infection area, it is essential that you protect yourself always by covering your nose and mouth and by using alcohol-based hand sanitizer every 2 hours. This will minimize your chance of contracting the deadly virus. Remember to visit our official website at naturalhealingguides.com for more motivational and natural health videos. Click subscribe and notification icon to be notified when we upload new videos.